Dropbase is an AI-based app builder. In this demo, I'll build a Salesforce leads editor that fetches all my Salesforce leads, and it lets me edit it in Dropbase via a spreadsheet interface. I can then save those edits back into my Salesforce. As you can see in the screen, I have Dropbase Studio here on the left, and on the right, I have a little peek of my Salesforce account that shows me all of the leads. So to start building this app, hit Command K and type your prompt. This app is very simple, so there's only 2 lines in this prompt. The first one is to get a table and to pull all the leads data from Salesforce into this table. And we're looking specifically to parse out the ID, name, company, and email columns. And then we'll have a button that when you click on it, it'll take all the edits you've made in the spreadsheet and send those back to the Salesforce API to make those changes so they're reflected in your account. So let's see how this code looks like. Okay, so we have main and functions. Main contains all the code related to the UI. So you have a table component here, and then you have a button component. And in functions, you have all the logic, all the data fetching, all the behavior of the app. So there's really just 2 functions. One is to query all the data, and the other function is to make edits on the data. So it looks at all the changes, all the edits that were captured in the spreadsheet, and then iterating through it to discover the changes that are made and make those back in Salesforce. So this looks good. So I'm going to approve changes, and I'm just going to place this button here and make the table just a little bit bigger so it's easier to work with. So now I can just hit preview. I can refresh the page, and it'll start loading all of my Salesforce leads. And I have a few leads here, and I'm going to just look at this one, Bird Boxer, that works at the Farmers Co-op of Florida. Now, let's say that we just want to update that to Farmers Co-op of California instead. That's the actual company. That's the actual company name. So California, hit enter, and then click on Save Edits. And so the edits have been made. And now if we go back to Salesforce and refresh, it should say California. And if you just want to change it back to Florida, save edits, and refresh, it'll be back to Florida. And so just like that, you can build a simple Salesforce editor. You can connect to any one of your other objects or custom objects and then bring them into this table and quickly edit it via a spreadsheet interface. And this app is super simple to build, just 2 lines of English, and you get an app that can help you manage your data in Salesforce.